What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a trade I took on Euro USD around, I believe it was Thursday the 28th of last year. Yeah, so this is just solely market structure, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you today in this video. As we break down this trade, you'll understand why I took it. And if you have any questions during watching this video, make sure you drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So we can see, if we look back into the past, price was trending down over here like so. We get a structure break. We get a structure break roughly in this area, and then price starts creating a new structure. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the same thing that happened down here to happen again, because I am a reversal trader. So we can see that the market is trending up, creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, so on and so forth. So then we get to this point right up here where I take my trade. Let me go ahead and just get this out of the way, where we're supposed to create another higher high. But we see price comes up, we get the higher high, then we get price coming back down here, higher low, right? Price is now supposed to come back up above this previous higher high right here, but we can see that price starts to stall out. We get some rejection, and we also get a level of support right here across the board that gets broken and retested. So we already have two things telling us that the market wants to change, right? We have price supposed to be making a new higher high, which it doesn't. Then we have price come back down and get stuck at a level that was once support, is now becoming resistance. We have two things telling us, all right, it's probably time for market structure to change. So let's go down to the 5-minute time frame and get a little bit more detailed look at the market to see if there's any other reasons why we should enter this trade. So as we can see, we also have a reversal pattern right here. We have a head and shoulder. Now, depending on how you look at it, might be a little complicated, but to me, this is a pattern that I've been trading for a long time. So this is clear as day, a head and shoulders. You could even look at it if you wanted to slightly different, like this, if you wanted to. There's a lot of different ways this can go. Just know that the pattern will never be perfect, but as long as you can identify the shoulders and the head, that's really all you need for this pattern to work. So we have now 3 confirmations that we need to start looking for our entry opportunity for a sell, because we know that market structure is now changing. We also have the neckline right here of this reversal pattern on top of all the previous confirmations that we just talked about. So we get into this area right here, and lo and behold, we get another head and shoulders. So let's go down to a smaller time frame, like the 1 minute, and get an even more detailed view of this trade. Oops, I don't know if we can go that far back anymore. Okay, so we'll just stick to the 5-minute then. Just scroll all the way back. But just take my word for it, this is also this pattern right here, the head and shoulders. We have a left shoulder here, a head right here, and a right shoulder here. So we're doing the same exact thing over and over again. We're waiting for the retest of that neckline, which we get here on the 1 minute, which is why I took that trade. And if we just go ahead and take this back over, I'm trying to keep it as where it was as much as possible, but roughly in this area is where I entered my trade. And then I placed my stop above the right shoulder of this head and shoulders, not this one right here, just in case price does dip into the neckline of this pattern versus this pattern right here, just to be safe. Now, when it comes to my take profit, let's go to the hour. A lot easier to see why I put it where I did. We can see that we have this previous level right here where there is a lot of rejection and consolidation in the market. We can see that price rejected off this area numerous times. We can see that price rejected here, here, and all along here. So for me, this is a really good place to get out of the market, because we don't know if price is going to hit this area and then continue going up, or if it's going to break it like it did right here. And then we can see how price just bounced along that level before going even lower. But overall, super simple trade. We're just trading market structure, and then also looking at patterns that align with market structure itself, which is the head and shoulders. It's my favorite pattern. Doesn't matter if it's normal or inverted. It's something I always look for when market structure is changing. So if you have any questions over anything I talked about in this video, like I said, drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. With that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one.